What is the difference, relative versus absolute poverty? Imagine trying to understand why some people struggle to get by while others seem to have plenty. That's where the idea of poverty comes into play. But not all poverty is the same, and understanding the difference can help us see the bigger picture. Absolute poverty is about meeting basic needs for survival. It means lacking essentials like enough food, safe water, shelter, sanitation, health care, and education. For example, the World Bank sets an international poverty line at about $1.90 per day. If someone earns less than that, they are considered to be in absolute poverty. This threshold doesn't change based on where someone lives. It's the same everywhere. It's used to identify those who are in the most urgent need of help, especially in countries where poverty is extreme. Absolute poverty focuses on survival and physical well-being, making it easier to compare across nations and track progress over time. On the other hand, relative poverty is all about how a person's income compares to others in their society. It looks at income levels in relation to the median or average income of the population. Usually, if someone earns less than 50 or 60% of the median income, they are considered to be in relative poverty. This type of poverty isn't just about survival but about social participation. People in relative poverty might have enough to eat and a roof over their heads, but they might not afford things like education, internet access, or a safe neighborhood. As a society gets wealthier, the threshold for relative poverty rises, reflecting higher living standards and expectations. Understanding these differences helps us see why some people need immediate aid to survive while others face social exclusion. Absolute poverty highlights urgent needs and the fight against extreme deprivation, which is key for addressing homelessness and hunger. Relative poverty draws attention to inequality and social fairness, which affects community health and cohesion. Both ways of measuring poverty are important for creating effective policies. For example, tackling absolute poverty can save lives, while reducing relative poverty can create fairer, more inclusive communities. In the end, addressing poverty means looking at both the basic needs that keep people alive and the social barriers that prevent full participation in society. Recognizing the difference between these two ideas helps us build better solutions for everyone.